Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to create invoice in NetSuite. To create an invoice in NetSuite, navigate to Transactions, Sales, enter Sales Orders, then click on Lists. You'll be redirected to the Sales Order page, where you can select the sales order you want to invoice. If you have the sales order number, you can also search for it directly using the global search bar. Now, let's proceed to create an invoice for the sales order by clicking the Next Bill button. On the Invoice page, select the custom form you want to use from the drop-down menu. You'll notice that details from the original sales order, such as the customer and created from fields, are automatically carried over to the invoice. If the invoice number isn't auto-generated, you can manually enter it in the invoice number field. Enter the appropriate invoice date in the designated field to reflect when the invoice is being issued. Select the correct posting period to ensure the invoice is recorded in the appropriate accounting period. In the memo field, you can add any additional notes or comments relevant to the invoice. Under Classification, select the appropriate department and class for the invoice to ensure proper categorization. Select the appropriate location for the invoice to ensure it is assigned to the correct business location. Under the Items tab, make sure the correct item details are added, including quantity, price, and any applicable discounts. Add the necessary shipping details. Under the Billing tab, select the appropriate payment terms if applicable. Add the billing address for the invoice. Please note that all the details entered are for demonstration purposes in this video only. If applicable, add any gift certificate coupons or discount codes under the Payment section to apply them to the invoice. Add any additional information or notes as needed before saving the invoice to ensure everything is complete. And that's how you create an invoice in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.